video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux using VMware. Now, in order to use Kali Linux using VMware, you need to download a VMware Workstation first. Now, I've already downloaded a VMware. This is my VMware Workstation 16 Flare. Now, go to any browser that you're using. Here, I'm using Firefox here, and search on download VMware Workstation. I'll give you the link in the description below, and I've also given a video on how to download a VMware Workstation and install a VMware. So once you see the screen, click on download now for Windows. Once it is downloaded, with the help of my tutorial, you can install the VMware Workstation. Now once your VMware is installed, now you need to download a Kali Linux. So in the download, go to Google and click and write download Kali Linux here. Alright, once you press enter, you'll see this screen. Alright, now click on this, click on the first page that you see here, click on this here. Now once it is loaded, you'll see this screen. Now if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, download this 32-bit, this one. Alright, 32-bit for Kali Linux. And if you're using 64-bit, you can download this Kali Linux 64-bit. Now I've already downloaded. Now this is in ISO file. Now once you have downloaded this one and you have already installed the VMware, click on the VMware here. Now click on create a new virtual machine. Now click here, install this image file. It is in ISO. Browse. Now where it will be located? It will be located for you in your download folder. So this is my ISO file of Kali Linux which I've downloaded. Now click open here. Click next. Now click on Linux, and the version you're using is Debian if you're using Windows 10 64-bit. Now if you're using 32-bit Windows operating system for Windows 10, then you can click Debian 10X. But since mine is 64-bit, I'll click on 64-bit Debian 10X 64-bit here. Now click next. Here you can give a virtual machine name. I'm going to give a separate name here. I'm going to keep Kali. Now if you want to change a location here, you can change. For me, I'm changing a location here. I'll make a new folder here. Alright, Kali Linux. Okay, click on next. Maximum disk size, the maximum disk size recommended is 20 GB. Keep it as it is. If you want to keep it more, you can increase here. I'm keeping as default 20 GB, and this one keep as a split virtual disk into multiple files. Click next. If you want to customize your hardware, you can customize your hardware now here. Here I'm giving 2 GB of RAM, processor 1. I'm just doing the default one. I'm not changing anything, but if you want, you can change here. You can change the processor. If your computer is good, you can give 2-3 processors if you like, and memory also you can increase here. Close this one and click on finish. Now you can see this screen here. Alright, now click on play virtual machine here. Over here, you have to check for graphical install here. Click on graphical install. Keep it as English here. Click on continue. any country you reside in, just click on that. I'm residing in India, so I'll click India here. I'll go for American English, continue. Now you have to enter a host name here. Alright, kali.org. Continue. Click on continue here. Full name of the user. This will be your account name. I'll be writing Kali. You can keep any name, your name also here. Click on continue. Continue. Choose a password. Now you have to choose a password which you can remember easily. Root is my password here. Click on continue. Now keep it as it is by default and click on continue. Again click on continue here. Now keep it as it is and click on continue here. Click on continue here. Now over here you have to click on yes and continue. Okay, now here keep it as it is, don't click anything, keep it as default and click on continue. So now it is installing a grub bootloader here. Click on yes here and click on continue. Over here click on the second one. Don't click on first one. If you click on first one, what will happen? A black screen will appear at the end of your operating system. When you open operating system, a black screen will appear. So click on the second one and click on continue. So our installation is complete now. Click on continue. So our Kali Linux is almost ready here. Over here you write your username that you have given before. I've given Kali, and if you enter your password that you have given earlier, click on login. So your Kali Linux is ready here. So if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.